If you're offended by blackheads, turn this off now. That's our disclaimer. So what are blackheads? They're essentially open comedones, which means they're pores that have essentially been clogged by debris. You can see one here. Credit Molly Fletcher, subscribe to her channel. Here you see pores on my face, and that little dark spot is a tiny little blackhead, or at least an open comedone with a little bit of dirt or debris in it. Now the source is unknown on this next clip, but look at the debris and amount of clogging on this old blackhead. This thing's disgusting. I hope they're able to clean it out and heal this thing. But you know, it's so big, it'll probably leave a permanent scar. Here's a better look with a still photo. Pretty amazing, right? Skipping back to Molly's video again, look at this thing. It kind of reminds me of an umbilical cord. Want to see an umbilical cord for comparison? Now I try to follow fair use laws, and this video comes to us from Riverside Medical Center. Look at that interesting looking umbilical cord. Reminds me a lot of that blackhead. Do you see the similarities, or is it just me? Leave a comment below and let me know. So blackheads are our most popular topic. Why do you think they're so popular? Why does everyone like to talk about blackheads? Leave us a comment and let us know. I would love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching, everyone. Take care. Best of luck, best of health, and goodbye.
Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method, as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.